Today we are going to create an opt-in, or lead capture page. This page will be attractive to a targeted audience who wants to lose weight. And it will encourage them to enter their contact details to get more information. We'll be using the Leads Leap page builder. If you haven't signed up for a Pro Leads Leap account, now is the time to join. So, let's get started. We're now in the Leads Leap page builder's page manager. As you can see, I have already created a page I call Natural Weight Loss Solutions, LCP, a lead capture page. Next, we want to add a new campaign. A campaign consists of a URL and one or more pages. The pages will rotate within the campaign as different people access the URL. We'll create a new campaign, which we'll call Standard American Diet, LCP. Back in the page manager, we see our campaign has been created, and we have two URLs for this campaign. The premium URL is for Pro members and is on a faster server. Another benefit of being a Pro member. Next, we'll click to add a page to this campaign. We can actually add a page in two ways. We can create the page ourselves, or we can import an existing page that someone else has created and given permission for others to import it. For now, we'll add a blank page. Now, for our Standard American Diet, LCP campaign, we have a page which we will now edit. After we click to launch the editor, we come to some sample templates. We are in the opt-in page templates. But, there are also thank you, review page, sales, and download page templates. Let's look through the templates and find one that we think will be effective. I like the one with some bullet points along the left-hand side with the opt-in form on the right. This gives us an opportunity to add ideas that could attract our target audience and encourage them to opt into our list. Next, we'll see how easy it is to modify this template. The first thing we note when we enter the editor is Leads Leap wants us to link our opt-in form to a list. So, we'll click to choose a list manager. There are several options, but we want to use a Send Steed list. When we check that, we need to add a list ID. We can get the list ID by choosing the list we want to associate with this opt-in page. Now we close the Choose a List Manager page and return to the editor. Now, back in the editor, it's obvious that the money background does not fit with a natural health kind of page. So, let's change the background image. When we select background on the left menu, we see the details in the right column. We see a URL for the image. And, we need to select a different image. So, I go to StockRush to select a royalty-free image. I'm looking for images related to herbs. There is a large variety of images, but the one with the jars of herbs looks good. So, I download that image to my computer. And I upload that image to my domain. I enter the URL for that image in the box. Then I click the Save button in the upper right. This saves all my work so it is not lost. Now, back in the editor, I see an image of money that should be deleted. So, I click on that image which brings up the details in the right column. I then click the trash can icon to remove that image. Changing any of the text fields is easy. Just click on the text field, and view or change the details in the right column. You can see and modify the text in the middle of the right column. So, think about what words would motivate your target audience and make those changes. Now, to save time, I'm going to make some changes and return with the changes made. OK. So, here we are with the updated opt-in, or lead capture page. You can see that I kept the top text, but changed the text below that says, there are wholesome foods that can help you lose weight naturally. The bullet points start with, how to start losing weight today. Then, natural, wholesome foods can boost your metabolism and help you lose weight. And, why a diet lacking in essential nutrients can sabotage your weight loss goals. And finally, the top mistakes most people make when they try a weight loss program. On the right side, I changed the heading text and button text. For the first bullet point, you can see the actual text in the right-hand column. When a field is selected in the editor, you can move it around using your mouse, or make finer changes using the arrow keys. It's time now to finish our page creation. You can see our campaign has two URLs. We'll be using the premium URL in our promotions. And we have one page. But that page is not yet active. So, we click to change the state from inactive to active. Then, we can copy the campaign URL and paste it in our browser to see the completed and active lead capture page. And there it is, in all its glory. We'll test it out to see how effective it is. So, that's the way to quickly create an opt-in or lead capture page. Next, we'll create a thank you page. This is the page our subscribers will see once they confirmed that they want to receive our messages. And then we'll write some emails. I'm looking forward to completing this funnel and testing it out.